About 50 mother tongues are taught in Finnish schools. The most widely taught or studied immigrant languages are Russian, Somali, Albanian, Arabic, and Vietnamese. Roughly two-thirds of immigrant pupils attend mother tongue lessons in basic education. So much of importance for mother tongue medium of learning in Finland schools. They also encourage subtitles for the TV program. Can we learn lessons and put regional language subtitles for those like Rajya Sabha TV, Lok Sabha TV, where program is in Hindi? Now, I was trying to understand what this three language is all about. They say in Hindi speaking states, English, Hindi, and a modern Indian language, and non Hindi speaking states, English, Hindi, and one Indian languages. There is so much of prejudice by the Hindi speaking people here. I'll explain that later. The first part here, they say first language, it will be the mother tongue or regional language. Second language in Hindi speaking, again they are using Hindi speaking. It will be other modern Indian language or English. In non-Hindi speaking states, it will be Hindi or English. The third language in Hindi speaking state, it will be English or a modern Indian language. In the non-Hindi speaking, it will be English or a modern Indian language. The whole concept is wrong because they are trying to use regional language, trying to equate with mother tongue. Mother tongue is mother tongue and regional language is regional language. And why are they using dividing like Hindi speaking and non-Hindi speaking? That is worst thing to do. Second language, and they are trying to equate Indian language or English. How can English and Indian language be equated? Trying to say Indian language or English. Instead, the second language must be Indian language, Sanskrit or Bengali or Telugu, Hindi or any Indian language. That will be the second one. And the third one will be, we will see what it is, and that is a foreign language which is either English or French or German or Arabic, Japanese or any foreign language. So the first is mother tongue, second is an Indian language, and the third is a foreign language. Why can't we do that? And I was so surprised when I was reading this in the National Education Policy 2020. They say wherever possible, the medium of instruction is about this mother tongue. So wherever possible means it's not going to happen. We are again going to use English as medium of instruction. Sad.